There are a lot of different sizes of animals. Some are very small and some are very big. You might think that being big is great, and there are some good things about it. But it's also pretty cool to be small. You need less stuff to stay living, you can have more babies more often, and you can sneak into small spaces to avoid being eaten or to take a nap. Here in this video, we will tell you the top 10 tiny creatures. So make sure to watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's get into the video. Number 10. Pygmy moose lemur. Meet the pygmy mouse lemur, which is the smallest species of lemur in the world. What a cute little thing. It's only about 5 inches long and weighs a tiny 2 ounces. These tiny lemurs were found in the forests of Madagascar in 1993. They are a real wonder of nature. The pygmy mouse lemur is a primate that only comes out at night and does best in deciduous woods. These little guys are cute because they are brown and white, and they have long tails that they use to hang from trees. The way they act not only shows how agile they are, but also makes their already cute personalities even cuter. Number 9. The Philippine tarsier. These tiny creatures are among the smallest primates on Earth, and they're known for being both jittery and shy. The wonders of the modern world, these creatures have gray fur and a nearly naked tail. Their overall length, including their head and body, ranges from about 4 to 6 inches, and they weigh approximately 110 to 145 grams. Originating from the Philippines, these little critters are easily identified by their large eyes, slender legs, and fingers. What's truly remarkable about them is their jumping ability. They can hop up to an impressive 20 feet, showcasing agility that's quite astonishing for their size. In addition to their jumping skills, these miniature tarsiers have a distinctive neck. They possess specially evolved vertebrae that enable them to turn their heads nearly 180 degrees. This unique trait adds a touch of charm to these tiny primates. Number 8. Slender blind snakes. Slender blind snakes, also known as thread snakes, hold the title for the world's smallest snakes, measuring around 4.3 inches in length. These tiny serpents are widespread, being found in North and South America, Africa, and Asia. There exists a total of 87 distinct species of slender blind snakes. These snakes are unique in that they are blind and non-venomous. Their physical characteristics and behavior are adapted for burrowing, making them proficient at navigating underground environments. Slender blind snakes primarily sustain themselves by consuming ants and termites. Their diet consists of extracting the contents from the bodies of these insects, and they typically discard the insect skins after feeding. Number 7. Spaghetti snake. The blind thread snake, a delightful reptile, is commonly found in the Caribbean islands, particularly native to Barbados. These charming creatures earned their cute namesake due to their slender bodies, which are about as thick as a spaghetti noodle. Despite their small size, they hold a unique place in the snake species. Measuring a mere 4 inches in length, these tiny snakes can easily coil onto the width of an American quarter Blair hedges. A biologist from Pennsylvania State University discovered this adorable reptile. He found them in the soil of Barbados, where they burrow to find their favorite meal, insect larvae. Even though blind and laying just one egg at a time, blind thread snakes have proven to be survivors in the challenging wilderness of Barbados forests. Their ability to thrive showcases the notion that big things can indeed come in small packages. Number 6. Speckled paddleper tortoise. This tiny turtle holds the title of the world's smallest tortoise. Indigenous to South Africa, these little creatures typically measure between 6 to 10 centimeters in length and weigh approximately 95 to 165 grams. These diminutive tortoises are most active during the early mornings, preferring rocky terrain as their habitat. They feed on small succulents that grow amidst the rocks. Despite their small size, they play a crucial role in the ecosystem by contributing to the balance of their natural surroundings. The offspring of the speckled Cape tortoise are born particularly small, usually weighing under 7 grams and measuring only 30 millimeters in length. The hatchlings emerge from their shells after a period of 100 to 120 days, starting their journey in the intricate and fascinating world of these tiny reptiles. Number 5. Bee hummingbird. To this day, the bee hummingbird holds the distinction of being the tiniest warm-blooded vertebrate and the smallest bird. In terms of length, it is only 2.2 inches, and it weighs only 1.8 grams. These birds, despite their diminutive size, possess a number of fascinating characteristics that set them apart from other birds. Not only do bee hummingbirds have diminutive bodies, but they also construct nests that are incredibly diminutive. However, the width of these nests is only 0.8 inches, and the depth is 1.1 inches. The process by which these birds construct such minuscule homes is absolutely fascinating to observe. The fact that they are able to construct and adjust to their surroundings is the result of their remarkable abilities. The size of the bee hummingbird and the construction of its nest are two examples that highlight the remarkable nature of these diminutive creatures. Number 4. Dwarf three-toed gerbil. This incredible tiny creature is considered as the world's smallest rodent, and it's also considered the cutest. The petit rodent typically grows to an average size of about 1.5 inches in head and body length, with its tail extending to approximately 3 inches. These adorable critters usually weigh around 3.75 grams. You can find these tiny wonders in Pakistan and Afghanistan, where they inhabit dunes, gravel flats, and sandy plains and hot deserts. Known for their long hops and impressive balance, these cute critters owe their agility to their long tails. They often live in burrows beneath small bushes and sustain themselves by consuming windblown seeds and scattered leaves. Number 3. Bumblebee bat. The bumblebee bat is a vulnerable species of bat. It is commonly found in limestone caves near rivers in western Thailand and southeast Burma. This pygmy bat species is typically 1 to 1.5 inches in length and weighs a little under an ounce. Despite its small size, it has distinctive features such as swollen pig-like snouts, large ears, reddish-brown fur, and veined wings. These tiny attributes make them appear cute rather than frightening. Bumblebee bats are nocturnal gliders that feed on insects as they hover through dark skies. Some argue that these adorable creatures are the world's smallest mammals. Female bumblebee bats usually give birth annually to a single offspring. The size of colonies varies based on habitat and food sources, but on average, there are about 100 individuals in each cave, forming a community of these teeny tiny bats. Number 2. Brucacia minima. Brucacia minima, a charming creature of minuscule proportions, captures hearts with its undeniable cuteness. This species of chameleon, known as the Brucacia minima, is native to Madagascar. These adorable little lizards, measuring just around 1 inch in height, were uncovered by a team of researchers led by Frank Claw from the Bavarian State Collection of Zoology. Found in the lush forests of a tiny island off the coast of Madagascar, their discovery marked the end of an 8-year expedition. These tiny marvels are so petite that they can comfortably perch on the tip of a match or the nail of a thumb. The journey to unveil these miniature wonders was undoubtedly worth the wait, revealing a species that charms with both its size and endearing appearance. Number 1. Denise's pygmy seahorse. Take a close look, and you might just spot the adorable miniature horse of the sea, the yellow pygmy seahorse. These tiny creatures, about 2.5 centimeters in size, reside in the Pacific Ocean, primarily on its western side. Sporting short snouts, slender bodies, and prehensile tails, they are often hidden within sea fans at depths ranging from 13 to 100 meters below the ocean's surface. Remarkably, it's the male seahorse that takes on the task of pregnancy, carrying and protecting the eggs in its ventral brood pouch. To avoid becoming a tasty treat for predators, these little darlings use adaptive camouflage, changing their color from yellow to orange and even pink. It's nature's way of ensuring their survival in the vast underwater world. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates. Thank you.